Here we go on the final project, and you'll see that I've added back in the mountains. That went over well. It helped definitely to give it a sense of presence. It's not anywhere, it's somewhere that's very isolated, and that helped to make it more eerie. I'm going to show you the orbs are switched out as requested, make it a little bit more dungeony. They also added in the flames, and I brought the orbs closer together because testing showed that they were a little bit far apart. It was hard to go back from ball to ball. So now it's considered more doable. Here we have the wrong selection sound. And then I'm going to do the puzzle so we can get to the end. And there you have it.